Listen, sometimes when you're making a project or an assignment, you need some visuals. Something to really pop out and capture your audience's attention. So whether you're a student or a content creator, I think this tool will prove useful to you. It's called Mockup, and what it lets you do is place any image into their thousands of free mockup photos. These are a bunch of stock photos that are of computer screens or phone screens or billboards, etc. So how do you actually use this tool? Well, the first thing you need to do is go to the website, mockup.photos. After that, you find whatever template it is that you want. So you pick one, and it'll show you the home page for it. After that, you upload whatever image you want to that photo. The way you do that is just by dragging it into the frame. Or you can take a URL of a photo off of something like Pexel and put that in instead. Either way, once you've done this, your photo should now be part of the frame. Now you can actually download your photo. Click the download button and it should give you a few options of what quality or size you want your image to be. Pick whatever is appropriate and you should be able to download it. Now you finally have your complete image. So you can put it in your slide or your PowerPoint or your presentation, whatever you want. This tool is really versatile and I think it can be used in a bunch of situations. I hope it proves useful to you. Thank you.